Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Simple Man on piano. We will begin by identifying the four essential chords: G major, C major, D major, and E minor. Understanding these foundational chords is crucial for the entire song. Take your time to learn the correct finger placement for each, ensuring a comfortable hand position. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, aiming for a fluid movement. This initial step lays the groundwork for mastering the song. Next, let's focus on your left hand, which provides the rhythmic foundation. For an easy approach, simply play the root note of each chord. For instance, when playing a G major chord, your left hand plays a G. This creates a solid bass line. Aim for a steady 4/4 time rhythm, striking the note on the first beat of each measure. Consistency here is key to keeping the song grounded and flowing smoothly. Now, for your right hand, we will focus on the melody. You can play this using single notes, or for a richer sound, try simple arpeggiated patterns. Concentrate on the distinct melodic phrases that define the verse and chorus sections. Pay close attention to the timing and phrasing, aiming to capture the emotional feel of the original song. This is where the song's recognizable tune comes to life on the piano. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Start very slowly, focusing on the coordination between your left-hand bass and your right-hand melody. Don't rush. Accuracy is more important than speed initially. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your tempo. Listening to the original Simple Man will help you refine your interpretation, ensuring you capture its iconic feel. Consistent practice will lead to a rewarding performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.